Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the actual font files in your project so browsers can fetch them. Make sure you include modern formats like WAF2 and fallbacks like WAF or TTF. Browsers prefer compressed formats for speed. Once done, keep files in a clear folder such as /font so relative paths stay simple. Also verify the license allows web embedding. If size is a concern, subset the font to remove unused glyphs to reduce load times and improve performance. You now tell CSS how to load the files using @font face declarations. Define a clear font family name, then list SRC entries starting with local, followed by the most efficient file type like WAF2, then WAF and TTF, include format, markers so browsers choose correctly. Specify font weight and font style to map variants. Also set font display. Swap so text remains visible while the font downloads. This combination improves rendering and ensures consistent fallback behavior across browsers. You finish by applying your new font in CSS and validating it works. Set font family on body or elements and include system fallbacks for reliability. If fonts don't load, check file paths, server MIME types, and CORS headers. Open DevTools Network tab to inspect requests and status codes. Make sure weight names match @font face declarations. Finally, test across browsers and devices, and if issues persist, try simplified declarations or re-exporting the font to rule out a corrupted file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.